Hello everyone, welcome to the Python tutorial series. We know that the collection of data type in program is four types like a list, tuple, set and dictionary. These are the four type of data collection, but today we discuss about list only. So list is a collection of order data that is changeable and allowed to duplicate. So let's start with define a L1. L1 is a variable that have a data like 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 in a very simple in order and very clean way. A set of data 1 2 3 4 by comma in a bracket is equal to L1. If we print L1 and the result is that data, this is the that data. If we print L and the bracket 0, if you put in bracket, this is the index number and index number starting from 0 1 2 3 have 0 to 3 index number. If we print L1 in bracket 0, it means he print 1. Let's check. Now you can see here only print 1. Okay, if we print 3, is result is 4 because the index number of 4 is 3. Okay, so this is very simple and set of data in order in a very clean way. If we define a L2 set data, but it not a clean way, like we have one as integer comma, I have a string and I have a float and I have one more data set to 1 comma 2 comma 3. Now this L2 list is not a clean order way, have this list have different type of data. If we print L2 and the index number is 3, it means 0 1 2 3, he print this list. Okay, let's check. You can check here this list. If we here put 1, it means 1 is the index number of string and run, this is the string. Okay, if I want to add something in this list, so what we do, L2 is the list name dot append and in bracket we put in quote is Codium is my channel name. We add a string Codium in above list L2 and enter. I am removing this because I want to print L2 and run. Now you can check in L2 Codium is inserted but in the last. If you want to insert in any order in any index number, you have to type insert and after the insert I put here 0 comma Codium. It means 0 index number is Codium number, so 1 is replaced, index number is 1. So let's run. You can check some error in this insert spelling, T put here and run again. Now you can check the Codium is the first. If you put here 2, it means we give the Codium string index number is 2. Okay, now run. Now you can check is 0 co-index number, 1 index number, 2 index number. Okay, if you want to remove something, like so you put remove and put here like 4.3 and print L2. You can check in L2 4.3 is removed. Okay, if you want to reverse this list, so put reverse here and nothing here and run. You can check now the list is reversed. So this is the basic fundamental of list. List is a collection of data. You can call any data by index number. You can print the whole index number, whole list. You can print also like that. L1 in bracket 0 index number and copy this and change the index number 1 2 3. This is 1, this is 2 and this is 3 and this is 4. Now data is typed like this vertically. You can check here 1 is because here inverse is put already, so 1 is 0 is this, 2 is 1 is this, 2 is this, 3 is this. So this is the all about the list. If you like this video, please subscribe, share and click on bell icon. Any doubt, please comment, and please like my Facebook page, facebook/Codium, and please share my Facebook post. Thank you very much.